Hey guys, it's Ben, and as you can see, we've got the engine hoist out today. We are going to be pulling the engine from the panel van, and we'll do a quick look. I got a bunch of footage from the last couple of weeks of it, but continuity went out the window, so all that footage is like, I don't know, too much for me to want to fuck around with. So we're just gonna start again. Here we go. Right, hook it up, drag him out. Alright, so we're almost ready to pull it out. Everything's disconnected. She's just sitting there loose now. We're just trying to get that stovepipe off the top because it comes down lower than the sump and it'll get fucked. This is our chain and balancer, because I don't know where the chain and balancer is. I thought it was with the hoist, but this is how Adam brought it back, so I don't know if he's got it or not. But he's off camping, so if he does have it...
He's camping? He was supposed to fucking be helping.
No, he went camping. He took his motorbike out yesterday.
He's good.
So, here we are, without the proper tools, because they're probably at Adam's house, but we will get him out. Motor's out. Can finish cleaning up his engine bay now, which is actually pretty tidy already. Mostly just the cross member. Yeah, extractors have come. He's bought a gauge kit for it. This one's a new clutch. In here, new floor pan. The floors weren't too bad. It's got a little bit of rust down here, same as the other side over there. The other one's in the back here somewhere, and he's been hooking into the bodywork, getting it all that rust, taking away all the patina. She's coming up pretty good. If it was up to me, I would have left her ratty, but yeah. What else have you got?
Oh, everything. I've got all the parts I need.
Yeah, okay. Oh yeah, you got them
wheel cylinders,
rubber kit,
ball joints, tie rod ends.
So I just get it painted and bolt it all together, hopefully.
Hopefully, yeah.
If it all bolts together. Oh well, then the rust.
I've got twin carbies, extractors, chrome rocket cover, chrome side plates, clutch and pressure plate, new slave cylinder. Water pump, thermostat, got to paint it, oil filter, oil, put it back together.
Sweet. So be driving by Christmas easy then?
Oh, fucking hope so. In a month.
In a month, you reckon?
Fucking hope.
There you go, you reckon's a month. I don't know if it'll get painted that quick.
Well,
But we'll see.
Painted, but once I get all the mechanical stuff done to it, then I'll get the guy to come in and do a rego check on it.
Yeah.
And I'll just explain to him, well, it's not on the road. It's got to have the rubber kit put through it. I'm waiting for the, well, I'm waiting for the paint. I'm waiting for the kit. The guy was going to drop out last weekend and didn't make it. So hopefully I'll hear from him this weekend. If not, I'll send him a message. I'll get him to come round and give me a quote on the paint. And if they're happy with it, get him to get everything organised. All I've got to buy, I think, is the rubbers for the backside windows. I'm pretty sure I've got everything else. Oh,
Yeah,
I've got to
okay.
get flipper window rubbers
'Cause
because they
he's-
don't come with the kit.
He's gonna keep these windows but fill the front windows. So hopefully be nice if we can find like some bubble windows. Like the old 70s style ones, eh? Alright. So that's done. That's about it for my weekend. I start getting ready for work tonight. Alright, so that's it. The motor's out. You can finish cleaning up the rest of the front end. Gotta wait to get some panel beating done to finish the bodywork off, then should go for paint. Hopefully reassemble and then we can go out shagging wagoning. Leave the old man at home for that. Should be good fun. Anyway, if you like this, please like and subscribe and share, tell your mates and your mum, and maybe leave it on for your dog while you go to work even, like dogs love that shit. Anyway, I'll catch you later on. Have a good day.